joyful in hope, patient in affliction, faithful in prayer. Romans chapter 12, verse 12.
Welcome to today's encouragement from Our Daily Bread. Faithful in Prayer was written by Karen Pimpo and read by Tony Collier.
Romans chapter 12, verses 9 through 21. Love must be sincere. Hate what is evil. Cling to what is good. Be devoted to one another in love. Honor one another above yourselves. Never be lacking in zeal, but keep your spiritual fervor, serving the Lord. Be joyful in hope, patient in affliction, faithful in prayer. Share with the Lord's people who are in need. Practice hospitality. Bless those who persecute you. Bless and do not curse. Rejoice with those who rejoice. Mourn with those who mourn. Live in harmony with one another. Do not be proud, but be willing to associate with people of low position. Do not be conceited. Do not repay anyone evil for evil. Be careful to do what is right in the eyes of everyone. If it is possible, as far as it depends on you, live at peace with everyone. Do not take revenge, my dear friends, but leave room for God's wrath. For it is written, "It is mine to avenge, I will repay," says the Lord. On the contrary, if your enemy is hungry, feed him. If he is thirsty, give him something to drink. In doing this, you will heap burning coals on his head. Do not be overcome by evil, but overcome evil with good. Faithful in Prayer, written by Karen Pimpo. After great-grandma Clara passed away, her 10-foot-long prayer list of people for whom she prayed regularly became a family heirloom. On it were typewritten many extended family members, friends, people her friends were praying for, as well as the names of high-profile evangelists, pastors, and ministries. New family members and specific prayer requests are handwritten in the margins. I became emotional seeing my mother's name on the list, added when she was just a child. In Romans 12, the Apostle Paul wrote to the early church, "Be joyful in hope, patient in affliction, faithful in prayer." In his letter, Paul exhorted believers to do many things that displayed love in action, hating evil and loving good, honoring others above yourself, passionately serving God, and practicing hospitality. These good works would be empty without the love of Christ working in us. That's where faithful prayer comes in. Paul called his friends to join him in his struggle by praying to God for him. Specific requests for safety from opposers and a favorable reception in Jerusalem were on Paul's list. Perhaps they ended up on the private prayer list of a great-grandma in Rome too. Prayer empowers us to live in a way that overcomes evil with good. Though we may not always see the outcome, it creates a legacy of faithfulness for generations to come. Let's pray. Lord, you call us to be faithful in prayer, and you delight in hearing our hearts. Help us persevere in lifting others before you, even when we don't see immediate results. May our prayers create a legacy of love and faith that points generations to your goodness. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
As you go about your day, reflect on these questions. What kinds of prayers have others prayed for you? Who or what is at the top of your prayer list?
Alsagum ka smel sukal. Ekora rawarngum ng mal makatek to dingar baba sukar rakaw. Elakapol rawarngum. Lakapol rawarngum ngon raol. Ngon raol mongang au ulen dingar baba sukar rakaw. Aparas marokulon raor belaw. Aklo start serengi. Yai kasil mongang ngobul ten mo sukal. Lu ulen dingar baba sukar raat smel sukal. Dia ka angot lon raol. Dia ka angot lon raol. Sabi ela adal smel sukal. Along aringing meriwa sukar ringin elang. Dik yuri. Di Curie, a Curie kmal lungilon raol, en sab elngu a sukar raat, el sme el sukal merio. A Curie a ungilon raol, en sab elo bangkelangi di lodoim, baldak madalun, mamal mangikal. Al sukum ka sme el sukal, lo reng sertiang, emong a Curie a nga sukar raol merio, yang sob aklay ang sukaw, yakmal ngaru a Curie sob aklay ko mga tiyak langar rakaw. Hindi ka po mauurarangum o mga Curie. Mbay mo ngilarangum e meri wasukar rakaw. A Curie sob aklaw rasa alim rasukal e wasukar rakaw merio. Akmal mesaul ablol sabem lo reng setial ka deblo laklat el girel o mga lela Curie. Sukar rakaw el morio maklangar rakaw mo kamangat aul tuir o mga lemara Curie rabi ka klosey al sugum kasme el sukal. Hindi ka ngot alon raol se el sukal, di Curie. A Curie ko mga tiyak langar rakaw, e sobak taras alim na sukal. At tal Sunday, mga kaliat talgibalon raro belaw, mbras en diungil, ngi dirakal birak kabsay, el mga bras, en morba ba sukar rakaw. Kamsulang, a sukar rakaw moryo, maklangar rakaw mo kamangal, aul tuyro o mga lim, ra Curie rabi kabsay.
In today's digital world, is your business truly secure? A single data breach can erase years of hard work and trust. Don't leave your digital assets vulnerable. This is where Guardian Cyber steps in. As a service-disabled veteran and Palauan-owned small business, we bring discipline, integrity, and excellence to cybersecurity. We partner with you to meet your regulatory or corporate obligations, safeguarding your critical data. At Guardian Cyber, we don't believe in one-size-fits-all. We start by assessing your current data protection posture to recommend tailored solutions that fit your specific business goals and, just as importantly, your budget. Our core competencies include everything from governance, risk, and compliance consulting to incident response and penetration testing. We even specialize in PEP and high-value individual cyber defense. Guardian Cyber is committed to one simple principle: your success is our success.
We are a Palauan-owned business and a responsible member of Palau Pledge, dedicated to environmental conservation through more efficient computing and cybersecurity solutions.
Protect your business, secure your future. To schedule your assessment, call on WhatsApp 680-770-8779 or email at Guardian Cyber. That's Guardian, CYBER 19@gmail.com. Ali Palau. Mother's Day is around the corner, and Chen's Flower Shop is the perfect place to help you show your love and appreciation to your mom, mama, nane, or grandma. Stop by our shop in Malagaw or give us a call today. Call 488-2628 or 488-1595 and ask for Benji. Thank you, and we look forward to hearing from you. This is a Republic of Palau Ministry of Finance, Property and Supply Division public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Chief of Property and Supply Division is soliciting proposals from interested businesses or companies to supply 3 each SUVs and 1 each flatbed truck for the ROP. Specifications for needed items will be available after May 13th, 2026. Interested businesses or companies may contact Ms. Charnel D. Sumang, Chief of Property and Supply Division, at the following address: Property and Supply Division, P.O. Box 6007, Koror, Palau 96940, phone 680-767-2552, fax 680-767-1016, email charnels@palaugov.org. This is 100% funded by CIP account NTWN CIP Admin 2025. Invitation for bid number IFB 17-26. Public notice is April 28, 2026 to May 13, 2026. Bidding period is May 14, 2026 to June 15, 2026. Opening date will be June 16, 2026. Proposals or tenders must be submitted to the Property and Supply Division at the Bureau of National Treasury no later than 4 p.m. Palau time on June 15, 2026, which is the closing date of this IFB. The IFB number as well as the company name must be clearly marked on the outside of the envelope. The procurement officer reserves the right to extend the opening date of said IFB, modify or cancel this notice, and reject non-conforming offers if it deemed necessary.
2026 Development Symposium. The Ministry of Finance is pleased to invite you to the 2026 Palau Development Symposium, a key event in our annual calendar. Please join us on a 3-day event starting Tuesday to Thursday, May 26th to the 28th from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. The symposium represents a milestone in Palau's development journey, bringing together government agencies, community leaders, youth, elders, and international partners to collectively reflect on and advance our nation's economic, fiscal, and technological progress. This event is open to the public, and we would greatly appreciate your attendance. For more details, please contact us at 680-488-4441, extension 3074, or via email at mofpalauevents@gmail.com. We look forward to welcoming you to a day of insightful discussions. Thank you. Awis ra Ministry of Finance akman mga madawar adrablu mabuhay elmerti altobet silondi bringi la 2026 Palau Development Symposium. Almorngir ang erulurior luim elon malmo ang ewalurior alnya luim eyal kapsingil ang emilbuil. Lomor e klora tutaw almoy maklora kapsingay elmorngir ang amayong cultural center. Tialondi walang la asmeril murablu mabuhay magikmal mga madawar kaul may. At sumama muyulom so deleng sa bemlom kadong 680-488-4441 extension 3074 maluwag ka email ra mofpalauevents@gmail.com kung malmsulang.
This is a Bureau of Human Resources public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Bureau of Human Resources of the Government of Palau will be soliciting and accepting sealed proposals from interested businesses, qualified individuals, agencies, or institutions for an external evaluator for the Career and Technical Education and Adult Education Grant for project year 2026. This will be a competitively negotiated contract. The services requested will be fully funded by CTE BOC Ed Grant, a federal grant. The specifications, along with the evaluation criteria and all other requirements, are being prepared and shall be made available on May 18, 2026. The solicitation and bidding period shall continue for more than 30 days or for a minimum of 15 days as determined by the procurement officer. The specifications will also be made available on Palau Gov's website, www.palaugov.pw/rfp-bids/. Interested vendors may obtain copies of specifications by contacting the Bureau of Human Resources. Request for proposal number PCS-2026-30. Public notice is from May 1st, 2026 through May 17th, 2026. Bidding period May 18th, 2026 through June 2nd, 2026. Proposals opening will be on June 3rd, 2026. Proposals or offers may be submitted at the National Treasury at the Finance Building in Koror or the Executive Building in Ngurulmud, Malagyo. For more information regarding this notice, please contact BHR by calling 680-767-2415, 680-767-1126, or emailing hr@palaugov.org. This is a Bureau of Human Resources public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Bureau of Human Resources of the Government of Palau will be soliciting and accepting proposals from interested businesses, qualified individuals, agencies, or institutions to provide consultation and deliver a system of care development workshop. This will be a competitively negotiated contract. The services requested will be fully funded by the Health Resources and Services Administration Federal Fund. The specifications, along with the evaluation criteria and all other requirements, are being prepared and shall be made available on May 15th, 2026. The solicitation and bidding period shall continue for more than 30 days or for a minimum of 15 days, as determined by the procurement officer. The specifications will also be made available on Palau Gov's website, www.palaugov.pw/rfp-bids/. Interested vendors may obtain copies of specifications by contacting the Bureau of Human Resources. Request for proposal number PCS-2026-32. Public notice April 30th, 2026 through May 14th, 2026. Bidding period May 15th, 2026 through June 15th, 2026. Proposals opening will commence June 16th, 2026. Proposals or offers may be submitted at the National Treasury at the Finance Building in Koror or the Executive Building in Ngurulmud, Malagyo. For more information regarding this notice, please contact BHR by calling 680-767-2415, 680-767-1126, or emailing hr@palaugov.org. This is a Bureau of Human Resources public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Bureau of Human Resources of the Government of Palau will be soliciting and accepting proposals from interested businesses, qualified individuals, agencies, or institutions to provide alcove model workshop. This will be a competitively negotiated contract. The services requested will be fully funded by the Health Resources and Services Administration Federal Fund. The specifications, along with the evaluation criteria and all other requirements, are being prepared and shall be made available on May 15th, 2026. The solicitation and bidding period shall continue for more than 30 days or for a minimum of 15 days as determined by the procurement officer. The specifications will also be made available on Palau Gov's website, www.palaugov.pw/rfp-bids/. Interested vendors may obtain copies of specifications by contacting the Bureau of Human Resources. Request for proposal number PCS-2026-33. Public notice April 30th, 2026 through May 14th, 2026. Bidding period May 15th, 2026 through June 15th, 2026. Proposals opening June 16th, 2026. Proposals or offers may be submitted at the National Treasury at the Finance Building in Koror or the Executive Building in Ngurulmuth, Milagyo. For more information regarding this notice, please contact BHR by calling 680-767-2415, 680-767-1126, or emailing hr@palaugov.org. This is a Bureau of Human Resources public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Bureau of Human Resources of the Government of Palau will be soliciting and accepting proposals from interested businesses, qualified individuals, agencies, or institutions to provide an autism spectrum disorder workshop. This will be a competitively negotiated contract. The services requested will be fully funded by Health Resources and Services Administration Federal Fund. The specifications, along with the evaluation criteria and all other requirements, are being prepared and shall be made available on May 15th, 2026. The solicitation and bidding periods shall continue for more than 30 days or for a minimum of 15 days, as determined by the procurement officer. The specifications will also be made available on PalauGov's website, www.palaugov.pw/RFP-BIDS/. Interested vendors may obtain copies of specifications by contacting the Bureau of Human Resources. Request for proposal number PCS-2026-34. Public notice April 30th, 2026 through May 14th, 2026. Bidding period May 15th, 2026 through June 15th, 2026. Proposals opening June 17th, 2026. Proposals or offers may be submitted at the National Treasury at the Finance Building in Koror or the Executive Building in Ngurulmuth, Milagyo. For more information regarding this notice, please contact BHR by calling 680-767-2415, 680-767-1126, or emailing hr@palaugov.org. This is a Bureau of Human Resources public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Bureau of Human Resources of the Government of Palau will be soliciting and accepting proposals from interested businesses, qualified individuals, agencies, or institutions to provide a peer-to-peer youth training workshop. This will be a competitively negotiated contract. The services requested will be fully funded by Health Resources and Services Administration Federal Fund. The specifications, along with the evaluation criteria and all other requirements, are being prepared and shall be made available on May 15th, 2026. The solicitation and bidding period shall continue for more than 30 days or for a minimum of 15 days as determined by the procurement officer. The specifications will also be made available on PalauGov's website, www.palaugov.pw/RFP-BIDS/. Interested vendors may obtain copies of specifications by contacting the Bureau of Human Resources. Request for proposal number PCS-2026-35. Public notice April 30th, 2026 through May 14th, 2026. Bidding period is May 15th, 2026 through June 15th, 2026. Proposals opening June 17th, 2026. Proposals or offers may be submitted at the National Treasury at the Finance Building in Koror or the Executive Building in Ngurulmuth, Milagyo. For more information regarding this notice, please contact BHR by calling 680-767-2415, 680-767-1126, or emailing hr@palaugov.org. This is a Bureau of Human Resources public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Bureau of Human Resources of the Government of Palau will be soliciting and accepting sealed proposals from interested businesses, qualified individuals, agencies, or institutions to provide service as a school counseling consultant for Palau Schools Counseling Program for the project year March to September 2026. This will be a competitively negotiated contract. The services requested will be fully funded by the CTE BOC AD grant, a federal grant. The specifications, along with the evaluation criteria and all other requirements, are being prepared and shall be made available on May 18, 2026. The solicitation and bidding period shall continue for more than 30 days or for a minimum of 15 days, as determined by the procurement officer. The specifications will also be made available on PalauGov's website, www.palaugov.pw/RFP-BIDS/. Interested vendors may obtain copies of specifications by contacting the Bureau of Human Resources. Request for proposal number PCS-2026-36. Public notice is May 1st, 2026 through May 17th, 2026. Bidding period is May 18th, 2026 through June 2nd, 2026. Proposals opening June 3rd, 2026. Proposals or offers may be submitted at the National Treasury at the Finance Building in Koror or the Executive Building in Ngurulmuth, Melageo. For more information regarding this notice, please contact BHR by calling 680-767-2415, 680-767-1126, or emailing hr@palaugov.org. This is a Bureau of Human Resources public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Bureau of Human Resources of the Government of Palau will be soliciting and accepting sealed proposals from interested businesses, qualified individuals, agencies, or institutions for a workforce and business educational partnership to assist the Ministry of Education by providing professional development and entrepreneurial skills for PHS career and technical education teachers. This will be a competitively negotiated contract. The services requested will be fully funded by the CTE VOC ED grant, a federal grant. The specifications, along with the evaluation criteria and all other requirements, are being prepared and shall be made available on May 18, 2026. The solicitation and bidding period shall continue for more than 30 days or for a minimum of 15 days as determined by the procurement officer. The specifications will also be made available on PalauGov's website, www.palaugov.pw/RFP-BIDS/. Interested vendors may obtain copies of specifications by contacting the Bureau of Human Resources. Request for proposal number PCS-2026-37. Public notice May 1st, 2026 through May 17th, 2026. Bidding period May 18th, 2026 through June 2nd, 2026. Proposals opening is June 3rd, 2026. Proposals or offers may be submitted at the National Treasury at the Finance Building in Koror or the Executive Building in Ngurulmuth, Melageo. For more information regarding this notice, please contact BHR by calling 680-767-2415, 680-767-1126, or emailing hr@palaugov.org. This is a Bureau of Human Resources public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Bureau of Human Resources of the Government of Palau will be soliciting and accepting sealed proposals from interested businesses, qualified individuals, agencies, or institutions for an instructional coach to assist the Ministry of Education in conducting a special education instructional coach teacher induction program for new and all special education teachers for project year 2026. This will be a competitively negotiated contract. The requested services will be fully funded by the MOE Special Education Program federal grant. The specifications, along with the evaluation criteria and all other requirements, are being prepared and shall be made available on May 18th, 2026. The solicitation and bidding periods shall continue for more than 30 days or for a minimum of 15 days as determined by the procurement officer. The specifications will also be made available on PalauGov's website, www.palaugov.pw/RFP-BIDS/. Interested vendors may obtain copies of specifications by contacting the Bureau of Human Resources. Request for proposal number PCS 2026-38. Public notice May 1st, 2026 through May 17th, 2026. Bidding period May 18th, 2026 through June 2nd, 2026. Proposals opening June 3rd, 2026. Proposals or offers may be submitted at the National Treasury at the Finance Building in Koror or the Executive Building in Ngorolmuth, Melageo. For more information regarding this notice, please contact BHR by calling 680-767-2415, 680-767-1126, or emailing hr@palaugov.org.
Devel subdragodal maaldu. Devel subdragodal maaldu lotobdringangir turong Chen Sugiyama. May other may Eliayob, Abbas Paul Uegi, Mamial Bascasio Oitrong, El Morarbek Admam, Magimgalding El Adrabab Mayoldaob, El Girelas Relangalged, Etargidra Kennard Sugiyama, El Kmo Mlamosmer, Mabdingelangaramorg, Emnirameldil Seals. Mlamotrok Lameldil, Maaldadu, El Mornira May 15, 2026, Longeim Lurior, El Dimora Santos Borja Funeral Home. Medibo Modngay, Edongi Ramang Teromaka El Subd, El Dimoya Guriu, Logiutial Radio Station. Kompmal Masulang, Yarubak El Dios, Lomakal Tangatargid Rogui. Signed, Ngir Turong Chen Sugiyama, I other May Eliayob.
Subdra Maldiras Udui ito. Tia subdra tobdringa I adkang itsu au, manginat milol denis ito, mamark mabel ragabliras Udui ratliu. Rabliliol subdra rogui dri ragamaldilelas Udui ito. الملامot rock المرنجنا سبادون Saturday اللي تيون غبسنجيل ونجيم البويلة May 9, 2026 قبل دي الذي مرنجنا قبليل أوضر رغدوين إتو الغنابولا تيول رغربئذ من مطو درا مرغ 8 AM رتوتاو المرابليل أوضر رغدوين إتو قبل دي المسويل 12 PM إتو المرافي سيريستاغ إمرا المرابليل المرتاو رابليل غنا نيتي إيرور التالسيغان التوب المر الغول يرأذا الموتروس سيول سيلس Magim subdra kamiul udmam ngaregal belu memein dalim das masmiing gal targid el madi busra drongled. Ara longa gim subdra I adrabut telbay frank malsol mo subdra adad marngalga. Ara da gim subdra gardra itrilio takamangloy o daol mitsuhi de subris koel dulei subris spedea madrangabot tami mngsao junior meibira meron stominaruo o mo subdra bebir gid marngalga. Ayra gim subdra dilubay etna igertang Raymond Elizabeth igertang o Miguel igertang Carol ngiraidis mo subdra bebir kami marngalga. Orang melongo gem subdra si les ngiralog ma Apollonia Siprit ma subdra admarangalga. Ngiwala gem subdra ngirudil benito obak ma dirudil torismad ma subdra bebir kami umarangalga. Meliga gem subdra ngilgil osegdra Gloria Quaselin ma dil mers olgril parangilgil ngaibab radong ngaibab mangatwat ngaibab mama bel ngaibab me musukmam. Oriora gem subdra adra mai Eliayob elbir raqum segundina asuma ma subdra bebir kami umarangalga. Francis Merm ob Olinda Mer adachi ma subdra bebir kami umarangalga. Aigol turgal qalbilung marsha ogada melmen ngalgem raidere che ogada mar bebiringim ngasumam. Magal Maria Otto Joseph ma subdra ngalga. Ngalgila madal Sarah Lo Jackson ridep ngirengas ma subdra bebir gaw. Ngalgila yung ranginot kabuy hiop kurom ebirulot neomi bi uegi ma asap kurom ma Tony Probesong ma subdra bebir kami Agidri kam subdra ngalgilam liad ito ngirapukura kadwin ito mangirat mil oldenis ito ma Marian ito kamsong masubdra bibir kami umarangalka kaskasuk Abraham ngirios tilu Rahel ngirios masubdra bibir kami umarangalka Morimat Kingsyo masharut modrang matinat modrang masubdra bibir kami umarangalka Mark Mabel manopo koblaluk ma Elvira Blanco masubdra bibir kami umarangalka Trangalgila sa wakong Mabel agim subdra kal Cherlin Basyo 6 ma Chef Mabel masubdra bibir kami ma Mason na Meet Machemi na ngata. Agidire kam subdra ngalgila tage sigintol ramakarit kay solablay ma Joseph Otep Gintol mo subdra bebir kamiu. Agidire kam subdra kal Ryan Francisco. Kamamel tobdra subdra ultur kal dirikleb ane Marisolang Francisco melmeng algem ren mar bebiringim lang sumam. Agidire kam subdra ngalgila gembo genti ra Charlie genti Maletisha genti. Agidire kam subdra ngalgila mlei adri mir ragmel Robinson rimir masiboy rimir marufina rimir mo subdra bebir kamiu. Agidri kam subdra bakriu dami al-us ma dil bakriu benita mol magimigot Jose ma Alex Cruz Agidiri kamsubdra ngalgila hens terbay radilaila makaw ngalgila heng terbay radilan terbay masubdra bibir kami umarangalka. Jorang idep Daniel masubdra bibir kami umarangalka. Agidiri kamsubdra kaw runguru el Herman Omelaw men musukmam. Sugiyama Mercy Saul masubdra bibir kami umarangalka. Agidiri kamsubdra Rosario Skilang marangalka. Agidiri kamsubdra kaw Bakloor Batros Pasilio madil tap Carmen Kip masubdra adad marangalka. Rangat tap ime musukmam mertel kamal dilila tarigidra sa Udui ito. Pelilio agem sobra odalat sa skirmel agemi oyama Sinya Myugi ingol harusing nagid Elmar Ramel Tego Florencio Una Richard Parvinor Ramel Masali Ramel mosubra bir kami umarangalga agidri kam sobra kal et Mabel Medelain Mabel mosubra pipi ngaura ad masep Jesus setsuo mosubra bir kaw meim talim tang seu agidri kam sobra diras song paskona tele mahelen yamada mosubra ad marangal meim tang seu de sertial al sungul ngal targid Tigil adamam lo diagalo bas ang clear lang klamang tela subda ul. Ada kabal makita ng clear meim talim edas sumas miingal targid ras adoy ito maadi busura ng lid. Jadi ngaldil mo pumokalt mokal gilel sils. Kumal masulang ya bakal Dios lo makal tanga targid roguy. Saena yaat kang itsuaw. Dia subdra rakamaldil ras adoy ito ngalgela yaat ito ngirapu. Ngal targid am los mer sir April 19, 2026 ya kamaldil lam lamot roko kalmorngina Saturday May 9, 2026. Maloy siya rungul Donald Haruo, rungul Blue River Small, o ngetiw da Masius Haruo, o ngayim kaibat ngira Rigel, Klolubak Mark Rubas, Argodol Senardo ngira Alsaw, may budur amador may delegate Warren Umataro, am sudra rungul da kaw other bap mayor daw, algirel tial sa arhil ngal targid. Nung October amor 2000 Saturday May 9 el momong maldira blila kadwin itol ngrap kulatul ngarbeed el moswel bem umdak rablilyo magim subdar adma maragal belu mangana long et espada lang regil ong langal kuroda rangal gilam le adal barat tablangal yosina ho ubdey rangal gila titim solang rangal gila isaw rungul ratuloy makodines mataling rangkoil ngal gila ngira berso mosubdar adad mangal gemin draing seu Art magim subdra tamdad Miriang, Fermin Miriang, Speaker Willard Kumangay, Andres Oserda, mga ligelang adig sa ringi raturang o mosubdra atad marangalga. Ang iwala gim subdra ang algela Emiliano Lol, ang algela Marta Obak, marang algela Kiwar Daniel, main takaing isew. Malakayo ka gim subdra sa Arulyong Teodoro Ngulbay, mosubdra bibir kamiyur ter albula. Ngaram nungoy gim subdra olingit rang nirotel EMU Wamada Mat Johannes Eur, mosubdra atad marangalga main takaing isew. Ngat pangagyol ngitra rubiang hiromina bayama mosubra adat marangal gimin kaing isew. Ay miliga gim subra idub et pisong giring sis ngina alsaw marangal gilang da alsaw ngira aluy soang oywil marangal gilang seng sa nakamura rangal gila okwak lubil marsil ngitel tang marinor sengla marangal gila brunor iwang kas pusubra main kaing isew. Ay rayang spada lakautang blayok o makatar blayok tayon wenting raygalaw Beverly Tewit King Leslie Tewit marangal gila Albertang rirey main kaing isew tel bula. Oriora kim subdra ang algila diraklay ko siba, ambasador Joshua ko siba, maester ko siba, mosubdra bebir komiu. Agidire kam subdra ang algila wenti tong mir emri wenti masyanrang wenti sadang, agidire kam subdra genci genti albino genti. Agidire kam subdra ang algila amner abay olikong katosang, mas pesungol ngina aloong rungel, mosubdra adad mangal gebim kang seur ter albula. Adria kal spada lang algela ya adal ito ngirabu Rakadwin ito Dennis ito Marian Marilyn Maleona ito Mary Ann Delamel Brenda Tarimel Loretta Mayer Smul may adribul kyoni sa alertel albul Pelilo agim sudar ang algela mnerong ul rakamel Rukubay lindang iratumrang Rang algela adir masyo rungul rangwil basul sa dawo Hilaria Amale Sadako Chuniosi Mirirey mautalat sa Skiflorencio Marbek kaldakawad marangal gamin kang iseur ter albul Gidri kam subra Thomas Finnegan ginarigel, Shari Maharlan Nicholas, rangal gelam le mangalil yama matom to da ma Lawrence katbangang, mosubra rangal gemin nakaing sir ter albula. Ngayon patala deligat Mario Culiber, tadib Angel Sali, Ruth Guyuda Sisuko Sali, rangal gelam le Adamasep Setsuo, Adalbay Jackson Henry, rangal gelam le Bibuel Abeliano Susugi, Captain Benito Thomas, mosubra ada de min nakaing sew. Agimre nga suliw da aira rasil sa kamdila. Abulakat sa biul may edwum edolomol mlalat karang lunguwa. Adios lom kaltang atergid. Sain rungul Donald Haruo. Tia subdra ko dal top dringa nginagid el chong inamur ngir ongor rigim ol diragid el martang inamu bilsmaw ane mari sambal madili klep si makom draisaw mo. At targid ra Mercedes sedoy ito Los mer mabdingil ang ramorge motor ka kla kamil dilel moringira May 9, 2026 El Salvador Sils. Motor dra funeral home ra 7 lori ara tutaw. El morabli la taringira gadwin itol nga ngarbe de mga mildil mosuel bra 12 PM. Todo del mora fisheries tang emeral morabli liol motor morabli nga ngiti irur. El tal sigang emurol gul. Magyolingit mosudra komiul dagaw adel adra babeldaw orior mayoldaw mosudra adat marangal ke meim dagaing seu. Ngaralong expadala ngira esebres pra ni Salvador bilir esebres warang ulit ngaralong expadala tu urgasu siro andro siro dililaw lidiang ngira blos mosudra adat marangal ka mimelel mosudra bibir ngaw meim dagaing seu. Artmang expadala mara otoay malwalar uluda ngiwaling expadala ngira iterbay masasingi arurang iblug churumang ngirmang ebira iterbay prangi masami mosudra adat marangal ka. Malgayong expadala raklay bawang ngirmang sibong mira mosudra adat marangal ka. Karam lungi ang spadala idol ngot bungulong tablak, madir melong ebil tablak, ngakal ngira gidel chong ngira muram subdra ngir turong Chen Sugiyama, subdra adat marangal gamin nakaing seu. Orioring spadala Gloria Masami, Sofia Masami Sid, Shelby Masami, Dirat Matpap Sadaria Fritz, Juliet Ri, Flora Tewid, Serelina Botaridep, Chorang Ridep, Mihaina Gosiba, Diliklep Simakom Raisaw, Dil Pokri Benedictam Ol, Dil Sub de Peloy, Badabay Sadang, Kuya Blelay Anastasio, Kyoko Solang, Enita et Pisong, Dareng Bidamay, Uelbil, Tarmaw Isak Nirmang, Masako en Sadang, Merlin Ngiraydong Iyar, Madeline Ngiraydong King, Marao Singits, Dilikleb Ane Marisolang Francisco, Diana Smaw, Kyoko Tengeluk, Ngaradok Teruo, Lati Sasawo, Blue Ongil, Johaina Sadao, Albinada Albay, Maria Terusi, Aileen Solang, Rosalitang Walgenti, Mengal Damay, Diraroyce Rosemary Gib, Ibu Tomoichi, Serafina Mitaro, Jennifer Ngwal, Ilengay El Ngwal, Lucien Oligong Marbebiringay, Carla Esadang, Ambasador Dilmay Olgril, Lisa Abraham, Rangilgela Ubadma, Sabet Masayoshi, Maria Otto, Erur Ito, Molturradala Mimimdagaing Seu, Mary Besong, Trisha Henry Lewis, Joyce Antonio, Clara Sawat, Ana Berly Madris, Isum Arda Ngirairik, Malisa Madris, Elvira Blanc, Edna Mabel, Edeline Mabel, Ethiopia Mabel, Jacinta Ri, Mosudra Birgao, Maria Santos, Marangalgila Hideom Toda Madira Sway, Regina, Riz Oligong Chunewo. Ruktamao Lingspadal Agustin Masayos, Fred Tengeluk, Pakriur Bab, The Mail Usa, Tewong The El Baliong Raidong, Aribuk Kel, Chibasang Ri, Dialul Rumong, Itpik James Nina Adeng, Obagramiun Chak Ningasang, Ira Along Rangel, The White Masami, Kabenor Mais Robert, Tasking Iramur, Vince Agiwo, Benedict Ratur, Inabot Kel, Glenn Siang, Ngikleb Ngiratao Ngwal, Steve Tomoichi, Robert Kel, Matt Temi Mitaro, Reynold Mol, Ngasi Sobel Larulog, Oligong Edwin Tomoichi, Kararamyo Columbus Sakuma, Swingley Zero, Joseph Lee Matt, Johannes Merar, Umang Demay, Allen Suzuki Marabibiringi, Wilfred William, Armstrong Chang Allen Gangit, Edburg Mabel, Ngaskasuk Che Ogada, Maltura del Mio Mega Marabibirao Mindraing Seu. Brandon Bauso Inamur Mailangalang Ililaw, Maltura del Mio Mindraing Seu. Bruce Amaley, Esli Amaley, Gadwin Ito, Mosubdar Birgao, Mindraing Seu. Pelilio ang Spadal o Ob Herman, Ponsiana Sambal, o Adratelbo del Mayumi Sinozuka, Dir Oil, Churi Napoleon, Brenda Weiner, Irul Ngirsang, Idalat, Erigo Malone, Ngarablun Tarurang, Barbara Solang, Elbil Hilaria Ichiro, Olsing Iyagar, Adragoroy Bostor League, Itala Roman Ridep, Fen Toda, Leslie Torm Dib Ridep, Hilbert Ridep, Pingalang Ulas, Kadwin Sasao, Evangelist Teru, Ngwal, Magent Ngiramur. Omalmsulang Rogoy, Mdibod Kaswester Selsil, sa Targid na Mercedes, sa Udui ito, Madios Lovenget. Sa ay ginagid al Chow Ngiramur. Tia tokobet sa espadela diragid el martam toda, tia sudrol toda nga diragid el martam toda Ngiramur, alangalgil amle diragid el kapsang loodal amle diragid el ridep. Akpasubdor kamiyul ngalgil a ridep, akpasubdor kamiyul ngalgil a ngaliter ridep, rangalgil a amal iyangda, rangalgil a kadalat, rangalgil a del bot ba, rangalgil a dilboy, rangalgil kalbid, marangalgil a kikuko ridep ngiraingas, diregal spedek nga kaldiragid el martang Ngiramur, amor trigal adadramiunsa, Makmsubdra arangalgil a abarik, marangalgil a uay, marangalgil a igalaw, ay tirekal olingit kumil el dalala rideb, rangarsula, mamimdakang iseo, el mesate al kamaldili la Sechedui, el ngalgil a rideb. O malmsulang edibod kaswester selsil, sa madios lo bangget roguy. Sa na diragid martang Ngiramur. Tia subra ko dal todringa Roman rideb kaduin ito chorang rideb pota rideb paskuana rideb susugi el msubra kamil na kawadra babaldab orior meldab el kmotar gidra sadui ito am los meses April 19 2026 mabangin lang aramor game la motrok la kamaldile el morngi na Saturday May 9 2026 probably la kaduin ito nga tiul lang arbedro orior mga maldil material sil sem utod morabilion molta probably nga ngiti irur e auriuleng morolgol Agim subdra at mamray galbelu mga long agim subdra ibdura lay Robert Tuti ebira lay Maria Ro mo subdra adad marangal ge meim da alim bertakada kaing sew mga rad agim subdra tiyang der mo subdra birgaw e meim da kaing sew ang ratma agim subdra ngalgil obarairur bio the may obarairur mo subdra ru le meim da kaing sew Karam nungwe agim subdra ngir turong Chen Sugiyama ma odalad mo subdra adad meim da alim da kaing sew Nagidiri kalam subdra ngira dilub at tamiri mang saw junior mau elbili lo lang ramang saw mo subdra adada meim da alim da kaing sew ter elbula Nat pangagim subdra Valentino masyo al mo subdra bibir kaw meim da kaing sew Arsula agim subdra abakar mau sidni HC ma ebil ramu mo subdra adad marangal ke da meim da alim da kaing sew ter elbula Agidiri kalam subdra ngalgila ay DDA rongla Rangalgel Olblay Vince Olikong Wilson Olblay Madebora Tirso Marangalgel Laitir Francisco Rangalgel Abedor Vince Odra ito siya Kildermens Agigosong niya mama masaw Abedor Agidiri kalmsubdra rangalgel ay meng Radiras Imleya Omkatar Ramokotom Agidiri kalmsubdra rangalgel ay Suroy Obiang Ramarsiana Obiang Iluy Agidiri kalmsubdra rangalgel Hana akong inaibu Raw Elbil Hilaria en Ichiro Mamasa ako en Sadang Agidiri kalmsubdra rangalgel Atori Biong Tumdem Karatsyung Iranguli Sawo Masubdra Repirakaw Ako si subda morang algilang ilang siluaw radirat ngir Rose masubda maklamat tulik at tsak ng sang agidiri kam subda ang algilang medil sapsis kukong etibe karang ilabla isak sakuray manginasokos chirom sakuray maodri ratchila ng musik ong idobla maansel masakuray ngir merila barang algila kapokol ratchino kapokol sara kapokol maaldok kapokol agidiri kam subda ang algila tage kong irairik raisum iginairik la agidiri kam subda ang algila Togiwo sumang ra Frank sumang machedi sumang multura dal mye main kaing sew hadire kalo si sulsu da marang algela dilboy dep Suzuki ra Pascuana Suzuki maalen Suzuki ma Alex Suzuki o si sulsu da marang algela mnedil sapsis o kaladri dep ito ra kadwin ito ma Leona ito Pit ito Amory kadwin ngira ilamsang ma error ito paliliwag im subdra ngiragid al madiragid mo subdra adad marangal gemain kaing sew agidiri kalm subdra dilab oil Achuri Napoleon mo subdra adad marangal ke main kaing sew agidiri kalm subdra asbaw amalay mo subdra adad marangal ke main kaing sew agim subdra ngalgilam nelo ang skusuki betoy right pick James ngina ateng manansi en gidarigel maoop ngira ateng rangalgila obantir sambal rami hayna ko siba animari sambal ponsiana sambal maisak sambal ngas pusu de main kaing sew rangalgila ubay ermas ratio finaraksid ngalgila sami orar rasusaw o lebu marbibinakaw ediri kalm subdra ngalgila mlelo amal iyang rideb ra umudib rideb ba Erico Smith ediri kalm subdra ngalgila mlelo o Keipo rideb ra Ilen mang hotel marbibirtir ediri kalm subdra ngalgila mledil sapsis kelbid rideb ra Roman rideb mo subdra bibirakaw marangalga Carol ngilaydis marangalgela Jones rideb ra Rose ngirak maela rideb agidiri kalm subdra ngalgila Tosimira Ifimia rideb maosisulso dambrang algela del bot barideb ra olsing igar bangalgel ra Carl McCain igar edire kal masubda ra Mercy James mangalgela Randy Castro ma Isabel Castro agidire kal masubda ngalgela Madal Mobile ra obirir ay ko mukay mangalgel madra lilay leoring na muay mangalgel amle obirir ay ko Martin ra Chulita Blibay marbebiringi agidire kal masubda ngalgela inglong ngiray blay ra Grace Nobuo malordes kemasang Marangal gila yugi ko inglong ra una rakamel Gerufin tolngi Kelly tolngi Kelvin rakamel madirikal ngalgelam lew Elsias Masaru inglong ra Madeline Lemlin Mamarson dirikalo si sulsub da marangal gila ngil besul sa tao madil masyo ra Faustina da albay marbibirtir marangal gila ngits madaris ra Allen marbibiringi ya tokobet sa spatan marangal gila mledilo ramang giruos ra ngas kasuk Abraham giruyos mosub ra bibir kami min ngangisew Idil adman no ding labas ang klel tial so da gyolngit meim da alim da ngisir tial ulbong el sungul has adui iton ma adi bisula drongled o malm sulang adios lom kaltang atrigit roguy sa na Roman rideb
Tial subadal mulla reng stringi, adiagal spadel, madiagal tigingel, malub engul de suela dias broadcasting company, tiang aspedirar adlul top dringi e haraorngi, koh mal mesulang.
Sudra blara bora gamaldile la Ruchitong Henok Udui. Tia subdro top dringi ngira ilal 6 paloy, madro orong ngira mola makreo sa casual Florencio Adelbay, ngatibo luel makreo sa nirbabu Kevin paloy, Henaro paloy, Libra Besong, al subdra godalel magamaldile la Ruchitong Henok Udui, al ngalgela umang maledang rabla rabo, al kumom losme ersere April 26, 2026, emlamatrok la gamaldile el morngira May 10, 2026 el Sunday el Sils. Kamaldi la di morngira pala funeral home el Masuel, betob del mor olgul rangarngasang al mamlakla. Magim malol ngit ramil daqaw ad ma daqaw qablil el wase meim da alim merter el bula. Mangar along agim subdar qalwong rete Matias Erbay, ma odal adara mangalang lidia allela, ma subdar arbekla da de meim da alim merter el bula. Ma asar rego hara, ma subdar ngalgilam nerdal song tadong hotel, marbekla ngalgam meim da alim. Agidregam subdar qal murfi wasisang, ma subdar arbekla da erter el bula. Marada kim subdar qal madar ngabot Tamir Musaw Junior, mamle ma subdar arbekla da rabla tublay, meim da alim merter el bula. Agidregan subdar qal madar ngasmos magario watsi, mam asal nawra hideos, ma subdar arbekla da meim da alim. Auliu mga gim subdra arqawl BS Paulus ong alibang, ebiro otong nana ong alibang, ma subdra da rabla otong meim da alim merter el bula. Iwala gim subdra ngalgila France Peloy, Rachusta Peloy, Lorenza Olgaril, Magore Peloy, Sisterson merter el bula. Malgayo kadire spadra ta church ru ma dilik rebega esngir maat mosubdra da rogu min dalim ye liaq spada ma mir qawli mtuqr David Taro mosubdra be bir qaw min dalim mertel bula agidire gal tobet sel mosubdra qal dinglius Albert Jacinto tira del bol taqlaqode mosubdra be qal da tel bula tira gal spada la ngira mi mai hidencio gintaro kama dawal bentellei madrang Denis Jacinto oligong frutoso tellei yu toribiong macreo sa France tellei Brian Erung Raptang trapkul tellei Clifton Boyser maongetiu labilaw sebalta. Diri kaspada la chulita tellei, dira ingas Maria tellei, Elspeth Sebalt, Esther Sebalt, ang Rabay Boysek, Choi Obrang Antonio, Magim Berlingin Taro, Bolt Sebalt, mosubdar ata de meim dalim. Agidiri kaltokopet silm subdar ang algila, dira kumbali, Orib at Joseph, Ramadrayo, Colin Joseph, maodam rasayuri saal, meim dalim merter el bula. Yasaragim subdar gali lilaw Aron Basilius, marangal karangal matarang, ngarangyar aro kayang Efram Policarp, ulsak kal Zacarias yang aldea, Pitalis rulog, rakasuk Terence rulog, mosubdra ruuliw marada derter el bula. Agidiri kal subdar gal Sharon Sakuma, Maria B. Agitaya, Kalbid Igeda, Merlin B. Ridep, Laura Gintaro, mosubdra bibir kami umarangal, emeim dali merter el bula. Gidiri kal matokobet silm subdar gal maaselt na siklisong saito, Ebil Veronica Masayos, mosubdra adad roguy, emeim dali merter el bula. Diri kal masubdar ang algila da may tamol, rawlang tamol, machan marokol garil, masubdar bibir kami emeim dalim. Agidiri kal masubdar gal Junior Rigrik, maolem Ranil Rigrik, meim dalim. Diri kal spadala odal adra kabaw Ilong Marsil, Nicolas Ngirgalaw, Rurgodala Dwayne Hideo, Chabi Mai, Dabangala Verano Ngirgalaw, Ngirakalsong Adalbay, Sali Siskin na makolumba madraisaw, Rutong Alisa O Watanabe, Diram A. Esther Alula, Evelyn Adalbay, Kabang Basalay, Sandora May, Natalie Adalbay Masyang Ngirgalaw, Alice Sabang, Mosubdar Adar Roguir Ter Elbula. Agidiri kan Mosubdar Kal Dirabis Madrais Kang Gotaro, Meim da Alim Berter Elbula. Ngersula gim subdar Kal Wabakar Mau Sidney Mobel, Madir Ragawis Marcelina Roduk, Mosubdar Adarangar Mau, Meim da Alim Berter Elbula. Gidiri kan Mosubdar Kal Madras Kasuk, Gabriel Wasisang, Rapkau Cecilil Aldabe, Lamamilik Ras Kasuk, Martar Alu, Mosubdar Adadra Ras Kasuk, Meim da Alim. Ayray gim subdar Kal Rodal Gensi Rodongok, Mosubdar Adadra Blara Tungalele, Meim da Alim, Ertel Elbula. Agidiri kal masubdar Kal former President Johnson Toribiyong, mamasubdar Ruol Limar Adad Roguy, Meim da Alim. Diri kat spadala rabo Oraidong, Joel Toribiyong, Malit Matu, La Rungulingirait Matu, La Iwang Uelt Matu, La Hermina o Roma, Ida Al Raymonda, Timina Igsakasa, Valeri Igsakasa, Helen Moded, Maana Williams, mamasubdar Adad Roguy, Meim da Alim Ertel Bula. Yatukobet Sililia kat spadam, Amirgaw Ngiraged Yugiwa Pidang Okla, Meim da Alim Ertel Bula. Diri kat spadala Marcelino Agustin, Ignacio Daniel, Richard Richiur Peloy, Edwin Peloy, Ricky Rubario, Ongolong Daniel, Rulo Daniel, Chimi Daniel, Charlie Simeon, Reginald Agustin, Quay Peloy, Claire Peloy, Alfred Igsasa, Mosubdar Adar Terbula. Dira kaspadala dira dai ramyang Waidis kabong, dira Leda sa Lucia Tiyano, Miori Daniel, dira Yur Miriam Case Araimul, Antoinette Meru, Rosalita Tadao, Edwina P. Tagada, Carla Peloy, Sariang Rubario, Talaw Peloy, Boley Peloy, Marco Simeon, Etbay Raymond, Betty Raymond, Priscilla Augustin, Andra Sangalund, Dirang Rablon Tebora ng Ata, Mosubtara at other war mim talim. Ngaram langwe gito ko bet simsubtara kalbe esrang amsed Stephen Malson, maobad mayring Malson, mosubtara ata de min dalim mertel bulong. Agidire kal mosubtara kal Debora est eur, mosubtara bekal ata de min dalim, edang sertel bulo. Ay milig agim subtara kal dirungul bay sariyang mat, kam mosubtara ata rablara ulgiyuklo, e min dalim mertel bulo. Gidire kal to ko bet simsubtara kal neomiu erongos, e ulingit rakaw, mamosubtara rangalgel oda mraskaras, marangalgel askilang, Rappamilas kilang, mabiberlis kilang, ay may hindalim mertel bula. Agyol turkakal Julia Francel, merang algem rakail ongesi, may Elfride Mongami, eg maalim mertel bula. Orior agitobet selm sobdrakal kaltngur abay Udui, may hindalim mertel bula. Idire kan sobdrang algelam le miray, Gabriela ngirmang, rangirasu, Gregorio ngirmang, madil raprak Elisita More, mo sobdra bibir kami may hindalim. Agidire kam sobdrang algela kasole rablu drong irung kambes kasole siles kasole olbedegal kasole mamarcela kasole ngas subdro adro rogui emim dali merter elbul dire kaspada la odra etosie keldermen agi Sugiyama Teodora S Miguel Carla West Kyoko Tingeluk Siskawataru Judy Solang Saralyn Sugiyama Albina Tingeluk Merly Cuarte Deborah Rangila Rebecca Asanoma Sherilyn Madraisao Deirdre Sway Morngul Bedor Lorraine Bandari Belinda Eungel, Polly Madraisao, Miriam Ewat, Cherin Ginaygalaw, Evil Ulay Damay, Madeline Tingelok, Flora Gintaro, Sherlyn Madraisao, Mawong Nakamura. Diri kaspadala ugordeo Patrick Telay, Ginurik la Pedro Gintaro, Oldiais Ginaygalaw, Saturnino Tewid, Spesongal Masao Bedor, Jason Sigi Gasolay, Marulel, Aldrin Telay, Justin Ramo, Esang Tingelok, Clarence Sugiyama, Trepkul Bedor, Sisinio Ewat, Esteban Gintaro, Troy Ngiraygalaw, Otra Vedor, Irey Adolfo, Junior Damay, Omgilom Peloy, Ngiray Lals Peloy, Junior Isaac, Mapir Ngiramolaw Peloy, Mamasubdar Adadrogur Terelbulo. Kidire kal masubdar, Tobet sel masubdar gal Baustinat Modrang, Maadelina Balailes, Masubdar Bebir kami umarada de Mindalim. Kopal masulang edol ngitra rubak kal Dios, malum kal tangater gidrogui, Say na Ngiray Lals sa Sixtus Peloy. Tiasubdar kamaldilo, Tobdar nga abakar mausid ni H. Madras kasu Gabriel Asisang, Rakwis Wilbert Roduk, Rapkaw Cecilil Aldaber, Madir Rakwis Marcelina Genti, el Mesubdra Adama Malngarakayuk, Ladas Patal Mayoldaw, Motargidra Henok Udui, Amlosmer April 25, 2026, Emla Motrok, Lakamedilel Mamay 10, 2026, el Sunday, el Dimorngina Funeral Home Rang Kibra Iray, Magim Subdra Adama Malngaragal Bekalbelu, Bangarsul Agim Subdra Rangalgila Sir Alith, Rangalgela ebirulok de mobil, radora mobil, mosubdra bibirgaw min dalim. Rangalgela mle ebil idub kotaro, ramalik raskasuk, martar alula, mosubdra bibirgaw min dalim mertir albula. Rangalgela tugora rangamdal ayol malulita maygol, agidri kal mosubdra radil sa amlong Marian Basngay, mosubdra bibirgaw min dalim. Agidri kal mosubdra rangalgela roduk tem, min dalim ang sertir albula. Agidri kal mosubdra rangalgela wasisang roa, ramadras kasuk, marangalgel, madiri kal ngitop wasisang, Mkas pasubdalo ade min dalim ita kain sew. Marangal gila itel mong Petrus mkas pasubdalo ade min dalim itel bulo. Marangal gila tatingal roa mkas pasubdalo ade min kain sew itel bulo. Agidiri kam subdalo ngal gila nir atukor Moses sudo min dalim itel bulo. Yang arang asang agim subdalo agene di wataro min dalim ita kain sew itel bulo. Agidiri kalol turor kaol sebatyo ban ngal gem radeol Rusyang malandisang ikim alim itel bulo. Yang arkaso agim subdra ngalgila yugi wong hotel ra otu ta Priscilla siyang aldep mo subdra bebirgaw meim dalim ida kang hotel bula. Yang iwala agim subdra no ay doong ma Rachel Rdialul ngas subdra ade meim dalim ida kang hotel bula. Kidire kal subdra Rachel Lucas mo subdra bebirgaw meim dalim ida kang hotel bula. Ya orior agim subdra kal ngira Mariang Alex Ramsik madilbang animarit otong kas subdra ade meim kang hotel bula. Tagidiri kam subdra gal ebirulok Naomi Uegi, mo subdra bibirgaw emim dalim merter albula. Gidiri kam subdra gal Rosemary Mersay, mo subdra bibirgaw emim dalim merter albula. Yahida egim subdra ngalgelam le obak mo subdi Yuchi, Ramala albalu Nathan Yuchi, Clara Gates, Vernice Meltel, Mayur Yuchi, meim daking isir ter albula. Agidiri kam subdra ulang the meim marbibitingi, Parangalgila rigrig ranil mala may imdakang isir til kamaldil. Yang at pangagim sudra rangalgila taw rangel ebir ayung lulay otobda. Agidir kam sudra rangalgila mler iwang deme otobda may imdali imdakang isir til bula. Agidir kam sudra amani amasyo almasudra bibir kamiu may imdali mertil bula. Yang ram nungo agim sudra ngir turong Chen Sugiyama masudra rangalgila rosang mga ding sa marangalgila mlengir turong yamadaksang marangalgila France. Agidir kam sudra rangalgila Lawrence rablas Lawrence. Masudra bibir kau emi indakang isior tir albula. Kidiri kalm sudra ngalgila isabang ra abir dialol makas pasudra ade emi indakang isiw. Yang art magim sudra biyo de meyo bagrairur masudra bibir kau emi indakang isior tir albula. Kidiri kalm sudra ngalgila Jonathan ngir makur makas pasudra ade emi indalim tir albula. Yabalilyo agim sudra itpik James ngina ade maudala salin meresbang masudra ade emi indalim tir albula. Agidiri kam sudra idala Roman Rideb, rangalgela okolat ito, rangalgela dilboy rapas kona susugi, marangalgela kalbid Rideb, bosubra adade main la alim mertakang isewrte albula. Lamatela subda ulm tigila damam dimla kalbdong clear, agik mal ayamar kami main la alim mertakang isewrte albula. Kopman sulang, ya Dios lamang gidarokui. Sain o bakar mau sidni H. Tia subra kamaldi lor todring mang song ray mariur, wer awar ramon rabe, spis Valentino ngirgiklang, kaltngur rabe Udui mang, badul okadat itong, marabu a Celestino malsol, erkmotar gidararu itong Henok Udui hamlos mer maudingilang ramor, kemlamotrok la kamaldi lel morngina Sunday, trul kopsingilong emilbuila, Sunday, May 10, 2026. Aldi mga maldira pala funeral home in chapel rangat kibrairal moswelva, emotov del morng esal momdakla, magim sudar bekladad marangal kakablida del gong, mamayim na alim itakang isir tel bula. Magim sudar adama marabek kalbalu, maolay mga ralong, ayagim sudar hatsko sa ato marbibirgaw, Eriga Emmanuel marangalgem, tiram tawil talat madrang ar marbibirgaw, sabrong ay Raymond marbibirgaw, Ruat Paulina Iskang marbibirgaw, Maria Asuncion de Celo Iwil marbibirgaw, Denisha Mariur Ubday marbibirgaw, Adalbar Abdul Bautista Sato, Maate Mong, Dirikam Sudra Tetching Itsato, Sadaor Yungla, Maya Adrading Abraham Osima, Mosudra Adadra Blayur, Marangalgela Mara Hotel Toyo. Kaklaw mga radagim sudra ngalgela Malsol Optulia Malsol, Mosudra Bibirgaw, Ma Valentina de Somel Marangalga, Agidirikam Sudra Hana Ingay sa Manahane, Mosubdra bebirgaw, dirikal masubdra Basilia Temal Wirongos, dirikal masubdra rangalgila sa Eagal Marilang, makaspasubda may nakang siwter albula. Ngiwalagi masubdra harukong ina makati, Pablo Tomol, Deligat Elender ina makati, Wanda en Timarong, Linda en Malaytaw, Mavaleria en Talay. Balagayo ka hagim masubdra ikuko okotol, mga rabay boy sa Talay, masubdra adad marangal. Yasa lagi masubdra kamarekal sa Karias yang aldeb, Dwayne Hideo, Dr. Chailingan, Dominic Tamarcel, Umi at Jeffrey Antol, Inariang Iraybay, Gracia Leonardo, Urtung Alisawa Tanabe, Norma Etiber, Emilda Adalbay. Dirikam subrat nga si Krisong Saito, Mosubra bibirgaw marangalga, dirikam subra obakar mausid ni H. marbibirgaw. Ayragim subra alul kringang mates, Boyk Spis Sherman Daniel, Wadal Adra Asel Takakorulugda, Shieko Daniel, Paulina Mangsaw, Mosubra Bekladad marangalga Turungal Grasel, Agidrikam subra Evidas Mangsol Martayad, Madirameo Ane Maria Deao, Mosubra Adad Rarangalgel Agitang, dirikam subra rangalgel Adiraibu, Marangalgel Eungel, Marangalgel Omtilo, Agidrikam subra Ira Ligisaksa, Mamosubra Dadra Ongal Kraigisaksa, Agidrikam subra Ya Ortkoel, Ma Ebira Irik, Sadaria Adalbay, Mosubra Rangalgelangir Oit, Marangalgel Etumaleu, Marangalgel Abelelas, Marangalgelangir Itpang. Orior Agim subra Odalad Mawrakordon, Siskas Ngabaw, Marangalgem, Raudu Sangabaw Senior, Mamayring Sangabaw, Marangalgel Amnedir Rarur, Radilop Arabay, Radira rurung lot arabe ngas ma tarkaw na bernis arabe marbibir kami umarangal ka. Rangalgel ako ni ko igang Marcel Marta Marcel marbibir kaw. Ebira Royce mi hainat Marcel kodep marbebil bidar kaw. Ngalgel asima ko wali asisinya ueda marbibir kaw. Mercy Mariur Bitalawal marbibir kaw. Lily Oilo o kaw marbibir kaw. Tamiana en ngirat abohet marbibir kaw. Julia o ip marbibir kaw. Daria Abrel Teulol marbibir kaw. Ulang damay marbibirakaw, rangaligela abeng da sa awas, rawad at sendi sa awas Lazarus, maramligo el sa awas, marbibirakaw, rakamiw marangal ka, barangalgilam lewad at margi mongami, ramadara ap tabdewak mongami, madorin em ongulungal marbibirakaw marangal ka. Rangalgela mo kirong osig, rawili osig, rangalgela yob ililaw rayadramay elyayob, marbibirakaw marangal ka. Rangalgela ngiro ora lililaw ratulik, Alfonso Diaz, makaray ngiro ora, marbibirakaw. Rangalgela rumong ililaw rardialul rumong marbibirakaw. Rangalgela amda al debel botra losaw odol makarlasyang sadang maglensyang. Maria Basilius Agitaya, ngayon naruo, umay naruo, Marilyn Basilius, umay Basilius Isida, Cleo Basilius, Susan Ngirausuy, Pascuana Blesa Marbibirgao, Malixis Cabezong Kel, Marigo Tomas Marbibirgao Marangal, Domin Mistru Tomei Marbibirgao, Penitam Subda, Hosiana Rungulbay, Deborah Masubda, Ngirat Ngerhiop Masubda, Matthew Masubda, April Masubda, Fred Sangabaw Maumi, Sangabaw Maruuliw, Surat Sabal Marbibirgao, Wilson Ngirausuy Marbibirgao, Saturnino Tewid Marbibirgao, Dennis Oilo, Omar Uld Reynold Oilo, Maruliw, Chen Gabo, Felix Olgaril Minor Marbibirgao, Ralgel Olgaril, Billy Naruo, Bruce Ngirkutling, Spis Gordon, Isao Sato, Yusim Sato, Valent Oigang, Chengins Mariur, Denisio Mariur, Ngirat Tutang Aldesel, Samuel Desel, Silverius Pesong, Benito Thomas Marbibirgao Marangalga, Henry Blesam Marulem, Agidri Kamsub Rangalgel Arigrik Spis, Marangalgel and the Maim Ledang Tamol, Marangalgel Abrel Maevil. Comim Lavas Ancleo Mosud Rabir Camu, Marangalga, Emim Rang Seur Telgamaldil. Trigel Adad Model Almudon Clear Tial Sud, Amosues, Modangel, Medida Gasues, Edrang Seur Telgamaldil. Trigel Adam Model Seville Mortel Gamaldil, a Seville de Maulon Surir, El Momsar Mosong Ray Mariur, Malubian Odalat Maura Gordon. Comal Sulang, Sain, El Monsong Ray Mariur. Tiasub Dragamaldil, la target de Ruchitong, Henok, Udui, Loltop de Niat, Garubagal Beduk, Lanclear Tial Sud, Mangiangiraget, Robert Nirablu, Wong Turungulbay, Kulturat Amdinger Abbey Udui, Adalbay, El Sungur Dialul, where Oar Ramon Rabey, Mangiramator Milan Isaac. El Moraro Will, the Gawad, El Adan Garayuk, Madaspadal, Morior, El Motargid Amla Mora Mangalul, Mnosmer, April 25, 2026. Malvaisea Acleel, Langaramor, Gamlamotrok, Lagamaldil, El Morngira May 10, 2026, Tiangasan del Sils. El de Morngira Pala Funeral Home Chapel, Emotobra Yeta Sils, El Morangrang Sangrang Isar. Malvaisea Gimsubri del Gawad, El Adan Garagal Below, Padautangal Msubra Rubud Mardalat Marangalged, Emotangal Loitita, El Sangmu Mercel Sils, Ramay 10, 2026. Bim the Gang Seul Kut Makli, Terulbong Sils, and Galtargid. Orior ang algela bertang irmeril, radili ad chuding irmeril, mao adamra ya adra darbel Ignatius irmeril, mosudra rang element kaing seu. Rang algela Francisca sangabaw amle Vice President Udu sangabaw Senior mao adamra Fred sangabaw, mosudra bebir kamiu. Rang algela dilub rabera dirarur Clara mabernis rabey mosudra rangal rang algela Sabino masorat sabal. Rang algela ngin ngabadang al debel botra adreng mao adamra sa almidal, kaleb ngin ngabadang al mosudra bebir kamiu marangal. Nalgila ngira ului rabeira rabes Chan ngira ului mosudra bebir gau emei. Nalgila raksid ngira tapkara lordes raksid mosudra bebir gau. Nalgila sa awas ramligu el sa awas maodam rasendis awas mosudra nalged. Nalgila ngalula eungel ra ebil adalbay lori madargawet maodam ra roman ongrung mosudra nalgila tongol marangalgila ramaskang marangalgila mitsue. Nalgila nina dalong ra daina marbuik adalbay ngabar dalong marbibir kamiu. Aira yang anyarang algela kayo ngirabluku, bieri no ngirabluku marbibirangau. Rangalgela mne eviras mungsong al etumay rungulbay radirak talyab da el mangyor amsyo matbewang rungulbay marbibirangamiu emem nakangisiw. Rangalgela mangarye eungel ra evirat ubel elen eungel mesungil rem marbibirangamiu. Rangalgela mangitib France rangitob Arsenio mangalgem ramadrabar sal ngirbaat Arsenio marbibiringi. Rangalgela mleong alibosang eungel ra Deborah Madey mangalgela speaker Helena Royce arurang mas asli at pisong. Rangalgela alang eungel ra Brihida ma legislator Reagan Sidoy masadam Sidoy. Rangalgela mle lapsis edelo eungel ra Xiaomi Suzuki Simeon edelo la mabasyo edelo. Rangalgela mle dira kalgang al dira klang gira matukor ra dirat kalgang al Eleanor gira matukor tagesima odam ra Nixon. Rangalgela mle ebil atubel al garukor ringang rachulia ringang marbibirgau. Rangalgela mle ebil adalbay ngdigis Gibbons Dana Gibbons marbibirgau. Rangalgela 12 bang radil bedul Sabet Rivera maudelel ra Loyola mosub rangalgela tolilang. Rangalgela taryong beo ralio ben malio ada mosub rangalgela Naemi marbibirgau. Ngesare kamam rubagam subdral Faustina Nemesio mosub rabibirgid. Tokobet sa spedel lang inamatungor milan isa kamarangalgel ang week lamarangalgel hamle madra kokokol koy chilmay rarif finata tingal maudele mara Christian nana maigol mosubdra bebi rigid radi berdi emay idirigal mosubdra rangalgel hatchuit sengir omlay mautangal may nakaingisew Klamotel asub daw ul malablarang yang klela adad mal targid el mloy tertial su di akmal ayamar imusu bese olingit mautangal meim nakaing sew lugut maklit yalul bangal sil serangal targid abola kat sab emel medi bad galat karang lungu el morar ngal gela marbebi rangal targid raru itok Henok Udui kop malm sulang say na uwang turungul bay asub dol tawdring yang gira tolo kasilas kingsyo maolle Abraham tatingal amorarbe kalngal gratoluk algire la gamal dire la targid raru itong Henok Udui ngalgel ebil albad al tanaka malwaisang esara gem sudrat ngisik lisong saito mosudra bibir gawe min da alim da ngiseu o siul subda morimat se kingsyo eliata tingal persima doram subda manabut chibana mosudra bibir gawe min da alim da ngiseu agidire kam subdal morangal garage del blai ra old pub debis saburo modam radir bis rosi saburo motangal min da alim da ngiseu iwala gem subdra James job marbibir gaw motangal min da alim da ngiseu Kortma gem subdra akmadrang Johannes Ding brotherly gumangay ongerong kambes ko soley mosudra bibir gide min da alim da ngiseu abal sa ila kamaldi la May 10, 2026 ra 9:30 AM el mo 12:30 PM ra Palau Funeral Home and Chapel nga Ray State kop malm sulang masilbal sa El Silsa sahen ginatolok silas kingsyo ma Abraham tatingal tia subdra ko dal to denya kaltngur abay Udui darmo mis saito maramda albili kwarte mangir oirem asam masang mara abera tiabd elender gira muktil gira la kamal dire la targid raru itong Henok Udui ngal targid am losme April 25, 2026 semna motrok la kamal dire morgina Sunday at true ilkop singil ong emil buila May 10, 2026 Del di morngira pala Funeral Home and Chapel rangat kibra irail mosuel bel motto dan morang rangasang rang esar el momadakla palway segim subdra rekal damam nga regal belu mangiwala gim subdra ngiring sa ilio rulog da madil sa irung lakobong mosubdra adad marangal agidire kam subdra kaul senator elender ngiram kati Wanda Timarong Lourdes Marar Linda Malaitaw Valerie ngiram kati Orlando ngiram kati pamkas pasubde meim da alim ertel bul Diri kal tokobet sa espadama morgal benina yob ma James yob mosudra bibir kamiu en me load matakaing isew. Diri kal espada larang algila Ignacio Sadang Marueram ma Jose mosudra bibir kamiu en me matakaing isew. Ya malgayo kagim subdra kal kadasaw Morales Ramaroy ebilt kadasaw Marian Ramaroy mosudra ngal kamar adad en me mga sumamar tel bula. Ng esara gim subdra kal Bautista ma Helmer Lula Margaret Amasyola Rabat Rovam Amasyola Sandra Sinsak Juanita Ota Udui ma Benjamin Amasyola mosubdra bibir kami may imdalim. Diri kal ngirar mo mis saito, Deborah es Isaac, in Lord Malaitaw, isabong saito, ma wadalad hiroko hideo, mosubdra adat marangal ka. Hagi diri kal mosubdra Marcelo Radabangla, makolas mosubdra adat. Diri kal spadalagi na iti kotaro, mamartar alu na mamkas pasubdalo at. Diri kal Eliata tingal, masayo kobrel, mamkas pasubdalo at. O sisiul suda morar ngalgilam lera tukur Abbas Thursday, Ramon Nigama Elia Joseph Abbas, Rangalgila Bares Odriong, Kau Luisa Sumang, Marangalgila Baltel Basyo, Mary, Mamkas pasubot kami umarangal, kay Mim da Alimertel Bula. Ay liyak kalsubot amura radbae Silverius nginatong sa pesong, Ramalixis Katkel, Mamosubot radad marangal, kay Mim da Alimertel Bula. O sisiulsubot amuraksaw nawas araymul, Madil Saksaw, Sara Yugiwo, Mamosubot rangal kamaradad, kay Mim da Alimertel Bula. Kaya iragim subot rangal manaput chibana, marbibinakaw, ma Ana I. Holland may imdakaing sew. Ma Senator Stevenson Quarte mosubdra adad marangal ka. Diri kat spadala ebiledil Caroline Takada modong sang rakamsik. Diri rat tublay David Masaw mosubdra adad marangal ka may imdakaing sew tel bugla. Ya orira kim subdra kal ngiro oirem asam masang mamosubdra bibir kaw. Agi diri kam subdra ngal gilay Chloe Itpig marangal gila makar ramaskang. Ngiri ete Henry Blesam sa Raymond Joshua Blesam. Pascuana Blesam rangul marbibir kamiw. Diri ka spada laharamda al Pastor Billy Quarte, hanen orevele el maawang right Quarte, mamkas pasudala ade may nakaing isew. Agi diri kam sudra Veronica Masayos, Indira Absalom, Silverius Pesong, Mamlixis Katkel, mosudra rangal ka. Diri kal Fabian ER, Besiru, Tony Ngirar Saul, Ramona Marbo, Rangasul Barel, Fidias Barel, Johannes Merar, Florencio Italbong, Nolan Rablu, Tina Vince, Rosania Barel Manolgem, Valeria Blodak, Rabay masubda marbebirgaw madirakle wari. Diri kalau sisulsubda maramarimat kingsyo, tinat modrang maginatolok silas kingsyo, mosubda atad marangal ke meimda alimertel bul. Diri kaspada lanet Faustino, mosubda bibirgaw. Diri kal mosubda adirario kalistaya manguchi, mosubda atad marangal ka. Agidiri kal masubra es Paulus o ngalibang mebir otong nana o ngalibang masubra ngal gemem nakangise weda alimertel bula. Gidiri kal masubra kal ngiray galaw Francisco Gibon sa dalbaratang alensid mangira sukrek ngirmang mamugtangan kaspaso de mem dalim. O si sulsuda morarubas a Gabriel Adalbaim o Obrahel Beserrak masubra adad mangal ka. Agidiri kal masubra kal ngir merila Wayne Ada mau Elio Irene Francisco masubra adad mangal gemem dalim nakangise urtel bula. Yay miliga kim subra kal o bakra miyon sa terwar ngulbay o bakra mga langal lerin sa ramaliga ma ramuruel hanslismaw mo subra adad marangal kay may nakaing isew. Dagidiri kal subra kal ubat Juan Ginat Agi sa Raymond Joshua Blesam mangiri etet Henry Blesam mo subra adad may nakaing isew ti albula. Yang ayaw ragim subra kal o bak Andres Urbalaw Evil inarya agitaya matongo gates mosudra adad marangal game nakaing sirtel bu dire katspatala dire amal ngaramona choko kwal ma elia kwal ba ansi sumang madebora kwal oip mosudra ngal ka agi dire kamsudra Regina Subris mayad arga Rafael mosudra bibir kau agi dire kamsudra kalu Elsias Ken Wehara ma som Leven Hart Thomas mosudra adad game nakaing seu Dire kalo si sulsubda mara Severino Joseph matage si goto makaspasubda kami umarangal kay may indali mertel bula. Agi dire kalo subda kal busi Faustino Robert mosubda rada de may indali alim indali sertel bula. Borarbek kala daman lo din kalmadong clear ti al subda lakabal makitarang miu enklam ngatela subda ul. Magiolngit mo itita al sang miu may indali mertel bula. Kop malim sulang niya Dios lumakal tanga tergidro kui. Sain kaltngur abay Udui.
Tial subdel mulla reng stringi adiagal spedel madiagal tigingel malub engul deswel atias broadcasting company tiang aspedirar adlul top dengi haraorngi ko mal mesulang.
WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station.
Hello Palau, this is Dias Broadcasting Company. Come and do business with us. Other media businesses, you pay GRT or PGST. We pay all taxes and you pay nothing. We do business and pay later. Masulang.
WWFM is owned and operated by Dias Broadcasting Corporation. Our office is located on the hilltop of Ngermid Hamlet, broadcasting on two different frequencies, 88.5 MHz and 89.5 MHz 24/7. With a transmitting power of 450 watt each transmitter, WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station.
Did you know that MBTV is now broadcasting on YouTube? Yes, sirree. Just type in Dias Broadcasting Company, click it, and enjoy all shows. Don't forget to click on subscribe in order for us to stay on internet. Yes, MBTV on YouTube.
WWFM is now accepting your business 24/7. Just simply call us at 488-5771 from 7:30 to 5 p.m. or 488-2177 or 775-0441 after working hours.
Oi sine. What do you mean oi sine? Oh, correct. Asahi Super Dry. Number 1. So smooth, so crispy, so fresh, and tastes good, man. In America, that's what we drink too. In PI, I tell you, pare, we drink it too because it's number 1. In Palau, we drink it too because you know why it's good with sashimi. It is sold throughout Palau. Akarakuchi Island beer, Asahi Super Dry, number 1.
Looking for Palauan oldies or American oldies or latest music? WWFM Music Store is open to serve you. You can now make your own personalized CD or download music to your iPod, MP3 player, USB, and cell phone. WWFM Music Store is open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Saturday. Call 488-5771 for more information. You're listening to station WWFM. Stay tuned for Fox News.
A deal is possible. Lisa Brady, Fox News. President Trump says the U.S. is in good shape with Iran, just telling reporters.
Now we're doing well. Now we have to get what we have to get. If we don't do that, we'll have to go a big step further.
He's warning that without a deal, bombing could resume, but also says there's no deadline.
They want to make a deal. We've had very good talks over the last 24 hours, and it's very possible that we'll make a deal.
Iran is believed to be reviewing a U.S. proposal for a one-page memorandum that could formally end the conflict, but reportedly would not fully resolve all issues for now. A U.S. blockade of Iranian ports continues, with the U.S. military earlier today firing on an Iranian-flagged tanker that tried to break it in the Gulf of Oman. A search for suspects continues after a shooting last weekend during a lakeside party in Oklahoma, where more than 20 people were injured.
Edmond, Oklahoma police are still following up on leads hours after confirming one of the victims, an 18-year-old woman, died of injuries she suffered Sunday night. Word of the party, according to police, spread on social media directing people to a public park where event spaces can be reserved. Edmond Mayor Mark Nash said this week there were no reservations on record for that particular event. Police said 22 other people, some not connected to the incident that led to gunfire, were hit by either bullets or shrapnel and treated at hospitals.
Fox's Gernal Scott. Just getting word that Kentucky Derby winner Golden Tempo will not run in the Preakness, which means no chance of a Triple Crown winner this year. Golden Tempo's trainer says they'll give him a little more time and focus instead on the Belmont Stakes in June, adding that the horse's health, happiness, and long-term future will always remain their top priority. Off to the races on Wall Street. The Dow up 612 points at the bell as oil prices plunge. America is listening to Fox News. There's a manhunt in Tennessee for a U.S. veteran accused of trying to kill his wife last week.
Authorities in northern Tennessee are telling residents to lock their doors and check trail cameras as the manhunt continues for Craig Berry. The 53-year-old Special Forces veteran has been on the run since early Friday after allegedly shooting and injuring his wife during a domestic dispute. The Stewart County Sheriff's Office says Berry has extensive training in survival tactics and is familiar with the area. Investigators do not believe he has a cell phone, but say he is armed with at least one handgun and is believed to have taken extra ammunition.
Fox's Jonathan Seri, the U.S. Marshals Service offering a $5,000 reward. Apple is set to pay $250 million to settle a lawsuit over Siri's AI features.
Some iPhone owners could receive payments of up to $95 from Apple under a proposed $250 million settlement resolving claims the company falsely advertised its virtual assistant Siri's artificial intelligence capabilities. The class action lawsuit alleges Apple marketed new AI features that didn't exist yet when it rolled out the iPhone 16 in 2024. Roughly 37 million customers are eligible for a cut of the settlement. It covers those who bought an iPhone 16, 15 Pro, or 15 Pro Max between June 10th of 2024 and March 29th of last year. Apple says we resolved this matter to stay focused on doing what we do best, delivering the most innovative products and services to our users. Kristen Goodwin, Fox News.
The company also says customers will receive a letter or an email letting them know how they can file a claim. Recapping stocks, oil prices hit a 2-week low. U.S. crude falling back under $96 a barrel, and the Dow soaring up more than 1%. The S&P and the NASDAQ each hitting new highs, a record close for both. The NASDAQ up more than 2%. I'm Lisa Brady. This is Fox News.